Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add some hot press gems using the hot press, basically it's a hot press gem tool, and you basically use it to attach your gems like so. The little gems, this is a 4mm one, have like a little glue to the back, and you use this, the sort of heat from this tool attaches them to the ribbon beneath. So I'm going to show you how to actually use it, and I actually brought this little fingertip protector for when I was using hot glue when I was doing the backs of my bows. It's actually coming really useful for this because I can't find another way to attach them without hurting my finger or potentially burning myself, so this is coming really useful. And you can pick these up from Hobbycraft in the UK. I think it's about £1.50 for a set of 2. And I got my heat press tool from Amazon during Black Friday, and I also got this little gem set. It's got all different colours. I'll open it and show you. So I've got navy, pale green, black, red, 2 different lots of clear crystals, some pinks there, 2 different versions of pinks, some yellows and some gold. That little set cost me £8.99, and the hot press tool cost me about £10.80. So, and like I said, it doesn't look like you get a lot in there for the price, but there's actually quite a few, and you don't always need masses of the diamante to sort of make the bow look really nice. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to start using that. Put that on. I've already got my 3mm tip on, and I'll show you in a second how to change it. You can see the sort of screw in, and it's got a nice on-off button at the bottom. So now it's on. Actually, it wasn't on. I'll show you now. So you get a variety of different size headsets and embellishments. So I've got, show you, I'll take this off. So I've got a 3 and a 4 there. I have got a flat-ended one. A 5mm, 2mm, another larger flat area, and 7mm. So it's not bad for the price of everything, because like I said, you can use all the different versions and you can get the gems in all the sizes you can imagine, and I can imagine you probably get the attachable different heads to attach them if necessary. So you screw them in like so. Make sure you do this when it's not on. Hit it on so your light is showing. You got your little stand here. Let's just wait for that to heat up. It doesn't take very long at all. I'm going to put my little protector back on. And what I do is I pop that through the loop I want, roughly in placement. I've got my smaller ones in. Place it roughly where I want it. Then all you do, you want it straight up, and you hold it for 10 to 15 seconds. And lift. And your gem is now attached. And again, place your next gem, always completely straight upwards, 10 to 15. Lift off, attached. Go to the other loop if you want. Place your next gem, straight up, count 10 or 15. Again, next placement. Now, resist the temptation to sort of wiggle around and move it and things like that, because what will happen is you'll get, as you can see, mine are nice and clean now. When I started, I was getting a little bit of residue around the side, and that was where I was moving the tool as I was attaching things. So we'll do one on each of these legs, maybe a couple on there. And I know some people who do this with a pen picker and gem tack. I've attempted it that way and it was okay, but for me, because I lack patience and I can never judge how much glue I actually need, I was constantly putting too much glue and getting residue everywhere and ruining my bows. So like I said, that's why I absolutely love this. I'm not normally one for blinging bows out and making them extra like this, but since I've got this, I've become a little bit obsessed and now I want to add them to like everything. So I've gone from classic bows only to let's put diamantes on everything, which I didn't think I would be that type personally, but everyone has different tastes. I'm going to turn that off for a second. That's what I'm going to do. It's just going to wait for it to cool down a little bit. Because once it's cooled down, that'll look nice. Let's see how far I can over gem this now. Okay. What I'm going to do, I have clear drying Gorilla Glue, and that's the right size to go around back. So the reason I like this particular version is you've got the brush so you can put it directly on the bit of ribbon that you want and nowhere else. Hold that down, let that set. While waiting for this to cool, we'll swap out to the 4 and I'll add a few more and you can see the full hot press experience basically. Okay, so that's nice and in place. I'm just going to move my tails out of the way so I don't get any glue on them. Just hold that down. I'm just going to put an extra little bit. Just there. Okay. Nope, that's still too hot. Let's do it this way. So I'm swapping to the 4mm one now. Turn that back on. Yeah, that's all nice and set. Just give that a second. Put our little loop back on. That was me. There we go, found it. There we go, so straight up again. Cat 250. There you go. Add a couple more. I'm going to do one there. And I like to mix up the sizes when I'm doing mine. You can do them all one. You can do multi-sizes. It's all up to you. It's about how much patience you've got about switching between the heads and things like that. And I find you don't need that many to give it that extra little sparkle. Just a couple here and there. I don't even know if I'll add more to that layer. There you go. No, I don't think I actually need to add any more. Like I said, that's the difference it makes. It's just a little bit of sparkle added to your bow. Makes it a little bit different. Doesn't take a huge amount of effort. The gems are all nice and secure. They're not going to move. You haven't got any residue behind your gems, which makes it look nicer. And there you go. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be notified when I release new videos. I do one every Tuesday and Friday, and do also follow me under the same name, Catherine's Ribbon Bow Tutorials and follow-alongs. It makes my heart happy when I see your own little versions of this. So like I said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!